Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 common proverbs in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First one is better late than never. Next is all that glitters is not gold. Third one is actions speak louder than words. Fourth one is a stitch in time saves 9. Next proverb is every cloud has a silver lining. Next proverb is when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Next proverb is don't put all your eggs in one basket. Next proverb is don't count your chickens before they hatch. Next proverb is birds of a feather flock together. Last proverb is two wrongs don't make a right.